So mao to guys, after 48 years na dayon na jud ato ang sabot guys, that we make it sabot ng mga ligot sa dagat guys. Tapos naglibog pa mo kay pilang amutan. Tapos nagproblema pud mo kay kung tugtan ba mo sa inyong bana o asawa guys, mo tong wala ta ato na dayon og ligo og dagat. So just as expected guys, magkanya-kanya na lang magkanya-kanya na lang tagligog dagat guys. Kaya no, kay kung magdungan ta nagligo guys, kaya ang isa ang anak, ang sao na lang ang anak, walay kabinlan, nya masuko ang bana, nya masuko ang asawa. We are not capable of everything guys. So magkanya-kanya na lang sa so diri naapod ni dagat guys, naapod ni batu. If you want the batu, and naapod ni sawads. Dricky! Naapod ni sawads guys. Is this the sawads? Kaya wala pa po ka-try og sawads. Oy. This is sawads. Agay! Sakita. Uy. Quicksand daw ng balas guys. So it's not the quicksand, it's only the balas ni balas. It's not the quack. Do you think we are quack? The napudzuray guys, napudzuray. Are you the sunset or are you the sunrise? Is it ready? It's already 5 something in the afternoon guys. But still the sunset is still rising up in the sky. With Drekky, good tsunami friend guys. So kanina tubo guys is magkuha mig water sa dagat. Kaya para mo na mo ang panghugas o pangligo dira sa restaurant. sorry, wrong. So mo na siya ang mga tao diri guys. So do you think ako lang ang gusto mag video Sila pud uy. Kaya lang. Hindi lang nagkataon, nagkatagpo lang. O nang see you. No, Tonton say he do one. So can we go already? Because nalilebog pa kami. No!
I found a sea urchin.
No, sea urchin will bite.
It's literally just spike.
Yeah, spike. But bite you where? Kita siya kuan guys kanang sa title ganyan eh. Kanang sea urchin. Unsa may sea urchin. Unsa may title sa tong Bisaya na oy. Sea urchin is Batman tong kuan guys, Batman tong cucumber. Katong na tusok-tusok. Toyom. Guys, namit toyom. This is toyom. Hello? Sing shit. Let them see the toyom. Ginoo ko. You don't want to cooperate, Larayula. Agoy, you are so basa na. And then how? Oh, dun mapi me. No mapping.
I'm not.
Let her la. I wash her. Kaya wala magboy dagat dito sa mga guys. Oh, is the toyom lagi. Ayaw kay mano. It will bite you. It will it will tape you. It will tusok you la.
I'm sorry.
Ala, patay ka na mahadlok og dagat guys. Kaya wala lagi dagat dito sa mga guys. Kaya dito magod sa mga bukid good. Kaya puro sa mga building good. Wala mas lay dagat. Ito na yung dagat. Pero sa mga layuan niya. Di na mga ito kaya mahadlok mag-ingit. Mahadlok mga sunburn. Kaya ito na kayo sa mga soccer. So mahadlok ng mga batch guys. So mo to see. No, they not should tell us go back. But we have to go back because we're going to eat ready. So hi Betchen. Annyeonghaseyo. So, kumusta mo dira guys? I think dira mo sa Pegas. Oh, he was just slapping. It's just like a slapping dinosaurs or slapping with a crocodile mouth there. Yes. And the life itself sa dagat, guys. So, what mommy say? Mommy say go already, anak. We got sea urchin. You see? Can you help that? Can you help us go ang take a tong and then we go and bring to the table?
Die.
No, it's not die. He is
R.I.P. sea urchin. R.I.P.
water. We need a tong. We need a tong to. We need a tong.
Actually stop.
Dami tayo, guys. So, mo lang to siya for today's video. Okay. Tawag naman ni guys. Okay. Tama na daw ning kuan, guys. Or video ninyo, guys. Yeah. So, mo lang to siya. Anyong the sea urchin. Spell sea urchin, guys. So, tuyong na lang. Ay, mas dali lang tuyong kasi sea urchin. Is you ready what, guys? Is you ready 5 something pero wala pa siya na wala pa siya na sunset, pero sunset na siya together. It's considered sunset na siya, guys. So, mo yung siya, guys. Bago pa may makasaban. Ano, naglayas ako, ha? Oh, ice cream boy. Sumunay ang tanawin, guys.